Okay, so let's get started now. Okay, let's say this is the WordPress. Then we want to make use of a system save page like this one now to create another watch. This is the watch that is okay. Okay. Let's say this is the watch we are selling presently. Okay, let's say this is the watch we are selling presently. Then we want to sell something like this. So I can just click on this duplicate. So you have this duplicate on your plugin. You can go to your on your WordPress. You can go to your plugin, then install duplicates plugins. You see, what's the name of the new watch that we want to sell? Let's see, G3 Mass. Right, G3 Mass. Then status to published. Then I update. Then I'll edit with Elementor. Open a new tab. Then we start with our editing. Just input some pictures. This is the pictures. So I've downloaded the pictures and video. I just want to make it short and simple. Okay, so this is the sales page, existing sales page. We want to use this one to create another one. So I can't change it. I just need to change the pictures inside. Let me try to upload that few pictures that we have. Just make everything short. This is the watch list. Let me upload. So I'm changing the pictures. Then we have video for this one. You can change that later. I'm coming. Just carousel. I can just try to change scenes inside this carousel. Already have. So like another picture. You see, it's very simple actually, and it's because you're making a sales page. We making use of existing page, making use of templates. So although I need to scan this product on like AliExpress to see if we get some other pictures online. You can add up. So in short, you are done. You are done. Yes. Let me look at this. Then make sure you publish. Then you can change the copy that is inside. You can make use of AI to change the copy. Because you can make use of AI to change the copy, like using ChatGPT. Put the picture there or the video. As prompted to give you 6 copy of this watch. Then you just need to be changing some little things there based on the product. For example, now since now wristwatch and we already have like this thing now, okay, let me copy this message, then come to my chat GPT. I need a simple This copy selling to Nigerians for this product. See the description, see the product features below. And I paste it. If this one will give us that result where we want, you can make it of another. You can see this one is good. Get one AI called Econ Copycraft. So I can click on new copy. Asking for the product name. Asking us if we get brand, like someone selling like website. But instead of using website, let me just give you my short product description. See, we ask you if you have any free gifts or make it suggest for you. We get something like that. This is speech. We decrete everything inside this done like this. Ele at Ele, I don't this one. Then I click on publish. I can change all the copy, like the features and everything later. Sha. So after doing this one, you still need to change your blend form. Come to your blend form. Like change the form there inside. Duplicate this form, any of the form you get. Change it to like the name of the watch. Where GTA Mass. Smartwatch. Like anything, sha. Save it. Then you will need to change the price that is here. And if you are offering free gifts, so that one. Come to your settings and integration. Just leave it like this. Leave the thank you page like this. Then come to your email notification. You come to settings. Then put anyway. Then what's the name of the watch? So you can be able to identify the watch. GT smartwatch. Smartwatch. You see? So in your sales page, you need to change the font. Also, you don't change the font. You can just so you publish, then you refresh. So it can show the little edits we don't do for inside the our function. So let's check our copy. Okay, language, English language. Then I'm sending to don't mind all these errors. You can change it later. I'm selling to Nigerians. Free gifts. I'm offering free gifts. Free delivery. Okay. Free extra straps. and discount. Then you are done. You go okay, saying like you saying you don't craft better. You saying you don't craft better six copy for us. So let's move on to this one. Then you can just make use of this copy. Make use of this copy inside the our sales page. If I want to edit anything now, I just come here, copy. Tired of smash watching that don't match your style. Come to my sales page, let it load. Automatic tap, I just tap on it. Anything you want to edit, just tap on it. You see, then something like this. Copy. Come back to your sales page. So as they do, make sure you are saving, you dey publish. So anything wey you want put, na just edit and na just copy and paste you get. So here our form, let's put our form, which is GT Max smartwatch. You see is there. So I just need to go and edit the prices there, then you are done, publish. Then you want to copy your link, use your link, just copy. Click on this view, copy link address, then you are good to go. That's all.